All right, we made it. We got Sean and Dean.
What up?
LA, baby.
Yes,
We're now.
let's go.
Look at how beautiful it looks outside. Going to Dean's. We're at Dean's place.
Dean's place.
Say hi. It's almost that time.
Almost that time.
Time to leave. Big Bear Lake.
He's a kid, so he's an idiot. So.
Get away from my sandwich. We're here. Sean's pumped. Dean's pumped. And Caitlin, what do you have to say?
Nothing.
No, it's her birthday too. That's all she's gonna. That's all I have to say about that. This place is sweet.
Yeah, it is. Oh, look at those levels. Jump right up. No, we need a tape though. Record Eric's hit music. Broadcast it to the whole house this way. It's the master plan.
Head off to the world famous Vons. I love me some Von Halen. Am I right?
Alright, quit vlogging for a second, baby.
Pepper jack. You guys like pepper jack cheese?
We sure do. Viewed over there, didn't we?
35 for 7.
Well, it's $5 each. It's not horrible.
Come on. We got Scoot over there, didn't we?
Scoot over?
No points. No points for you.
Yeah, you said it again too. It's just sad.
Sitting there repeating the jokes.
I'm getting secondhand embarrassment.
I'm gonna add an audience laughter in the background.
You add a violin track.
I'm gonna add a lot of sounds, including this sound.
Guy in the back.
You could honestly put a little OJ in a margarita, but you ready? Oh no!
Was that it?
Yeah, we got it.
That was a terrible throw.
Hi, what's up?
We need to charge mine. That's a problem. Do you have a
Oh,
vlog?
do you have the other one?
Oh, maybe I do. It's somewhere.
Don't worry, we're vlogging the whole. It's
yeah?
it's a
Yeah.
camera. You can.
I don't have it.
Yeah, we can. I was just gonna measure
We'll be making a fun video of all this. All right, the gang's all here. The Rippers.
Just like an 8-year-old when he doesn't know what else to do, he just starts doing it.
Sean Mitchell Dean. We got the Rippers all here.
That's right.
Hello, hello.
Hello.
Sean Dean Mitchell. Me, Eric.
Kissing the cheeks or?
So I do it from memory? All right, fine.
Yeah, from memory.
I've seen a bear.
What kind of bear is it gonna be?
We're gonna go out this evening. Mitchell's here.
Hey Mitch, how's that foot doing?
Hey Mitch,
How you doing? How's that foot going? How's that foot going? was worried about him.
Oh, all right, all right.
That plan, baby.